So good morning guys. For today's video we are going to be cooking breakfast with me, and Tina has the morning off, so she's handed the breakfast duties over to me. So you're going to see how I fail along the way. No, I'm joking guys, it's going to be good. So the first thing I'm going to do today, because obviously when you're in the Philippines you eat rice, so I'm going to cook rice. Or wash the rice, sorry guys. Guys, when you're in the Philippines, most of you guys know this, that your Filipino really enjoys cooking for you, so that's why I probably haven't learned to cook as much as of yet, but you have to start somewhere. So we will put our drinking water in the rice cup and pour it into the rice. And I like to do, like, if it's 1.5 scoops of rice, then I like to put 2.5 things of water.
That's enough.
Are you sure?
It will be congee na karon.
I always do that.
That's why gali it's
What, you think that's okay?
Oo eh. That's why gali when he is cooking rice, sometimes it's like congee or something.
Well, in the past.
But sometimes it's hard.
And it's, yeah. Okay. While we are waiting for our rice to cook, I will also begin the process of cooking eggs and corned beef. And so that's a Filipino breakfast which is called corn silog. So that's the name of the Filipino breakfast that we are cooking today. So let's get our pan.
Okay.
And yeah. So is it still plugged in?
Yeah.
Okay. So got the stove on, got the ham. It's on.
Okay.
We've got the stove on, and we're preheating the pan, and then soon we'll put our cooking oil in. Diba?
Okay, so your pan is hot already.
Okay guys, our pan is already hot, so I will pour in the cooking oil. And we'll let that preheat, we'll let that cooking oil heat up. And then we'll put in our eggs.
Yes.
So, okay, there we go. We will transfer from the pan onto the plate like that.
Okay.
And then, okay, so we've got our corned beef ready. So I'll pour this into the bowl, which will make it easier for me to transfer it into the pan later.
Hurry up.
Okay. Sige na. And then I will get my onion, and we will saute the onion. Okay.
Okay. For your corned beef. Faster. Okay, just leave it for
1 minute or so. Okay, so we'll leave that for a minute or two, guys. And
the
rice has just popped, so that tells me that we're getting closer. And you know what? I'm so good, Tom. Are you good, Tom, Tina?
Of course.
Of course. Are you guys good, Tom? Yes, I'm sure you are.
What is gutom?
Huh?
What is gutom?
Hungry.
Okay.
All the Filipinos that are watching will know that.
But what about the foreigners?
Well, if you're in the USA and you're watching this video, gutom means hungry. And the reason why I say USA is because that half of our viewers are from the USA and the other half are from Philippines. So shout out to our USA viewers. But if you're watching from a country that's not the USA or the Philippines, then let us know where you're watching from as well. We'd love to hear in the comments. Cheers.
Okay, stereo corned beef. This is spatula. Be sure to scrape everything. It's everything. Char, joke lang.
Everything.
Millions of children get hungry every day.
Yes.
So every grain, every
bit of food matters.
Yeah.
Yeah. There we are.
Okay, and yes.
So we have our corned beef ready, and we have our egg ready as well.
Yeah.
And the word for egg in the Philippines is itlog. Boom. So guys, over the last couple of vlogs, you might have noticed sort of a different style in our vlogs, and you might have noticed a change in the camera as well, and that's because we're back to using cell phones because the GoPro has broken down on us, and it's so frustrating, guys, because I like being able to have the GoPro in my hand when I'm outside vlogging, because of, first of all, the stability that it provides, but also just the fact that you're able to rotate it in your hand when you're vlogging as well. So it's a bit of a disappointment for us, but it gives us the opportunity to change our style slightly and try different things with the cell phones. So that's what we're aiming to do. The other thing is that we bought DJI mics specifically for the GoPro, and I've been able to find a workaround on my cell phone for the DJI mics, but the sound quality isn't as good, and for some reason it can only connect one mic rather than the two that we have. So that's a frustration. So we are going to save up for the Go. No, we're not going to save up for another GoPro. We're going to save up for a vlogging camera, whether that's a new cell phone or a DJI. I've been very frustrated with GoPro recently, but that's a story for another time.
Yeah, so you will see more indoors or
Yeah. So you might see more indoor vlogging, where we're doing things like this, but also where we're talking about different topics, that kind of thing. But there might be occasions where we're able to be out and about and sort of use Tina as my camera woman to vlog different areas. But because we're getting so close to the pregnancy, for the baby being born, it's going to be a bit more difficult, a bit more challenging to do that. So it's just, we're just having to think things through with our vlogs at the moment and see what happens. So it's exciting at the same time, guys, because you can experience disappointment and frustrations and challenges, but these things can help you to think outside the box and adapt to your situation. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to adapt, improvise, and overcome these challenges, right? And also, guys, please don't skip the ads, because it's helping us save money for our upcoming baby, and also save money for a new potential vlogging camera as well. So just take a minute of your time just to watch the ads. That really helps us, and we love you all. Thank you. Okay, so once the pan has been fully heated and the cooking oil has been heated, then we get our garlic like that and we pour it in. Oh, and it will sizzle as well. and make sure to stir it nicely.
What do you say?
So we pour in our rice. Yeah. Try to get it all as much as we possibly can. And then we stir it, mix it in with our garlic. And add a pinch of salt, which my lovely assistant will do. See that? And magic syrup. So we'll transfer the rice onto the plate. Still, you can still hear that sizzling sound from it. Very nice. I like that sound, very therapeutic. Maybe I missed my calling as a chef in life. But, okay guys, so our garlic rice is ready and we are good to eat. So come and join us, let's eat ka unta. Okay guys, so let's eat ka unta.
Let's try this.